Watch this. You won't believe it. This exact video right here got 167 million views, and the channel that made it now sitting at over 2 million subscribers with just 24 shorts in total. They've racked up a crazy 400 million views. The guy behind it even got his golden play button for hitting 1 million subscribers. But wait, it gets even wilder while researching. I found out that this channel is fully monetized. And guess what? They don't even show their face or use their voice. They're making money with simple rabbit story shorts. Yeah, rabbits. And today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, completely for free, using AI tools. Stick around because this might just be the easiest way to make money online. And if this guy can make millions with rabbit videos, then I really need to rethink my life choices. Now, if you think you can just copy-paste their idea and get millions of views overnight, well, I hate to break it to you, but YouTube doesn't work like that to make our videos stand out. We need to follow 5 important steps. The concept stays the same, but instead of rabbits, we'll pick a different main animal, different enough to stand out, and trust me, you don't want to be the guy who puts in all the effort, only to have YouTube say, nah, we already have a rabbit guy next. So our first step would be to pick a different animal that looks cute and innocent. In step 2, we will write an engaging script using AI. In step 3, we will generate our images. And in step 4, we will animate those images. And final step, we will put everything together in our editing software. Now, first things first, we need to select a cute animal as our main character. Even though we will have different animals in our video, there must be a main theme character for your channel. Just like for the channel Rabbit's Journey, their main animal is a rabbit. In the same way, we will pick a similar but different main animal for our channel. You can literally search for animals on Google, but whatever you do, make sure to go with baby animals, because those cute and innocent little souls are impossible to ignore, especially for me, as I love animals. So much, that's why these videos are in millions of views, no matter the trend. So for instance, I would be going with a baby penguin, because they are just so cute and adorable. Once you have selected your main animal, it's time to head over to our second step, which is writing a script so good that people can't get enough of it when it comes to the script. It's the most important step of the entire video, but if your creativity level is like mine, then writing a killer script is as likely as a fish climbing a tree. That's why we'll use AI, because with the right prompts, you can outright a freelancer who charges a fortune just for rearranging words. So firstly, we will be giving ChatGPT a special prompt that I tested for a whole day, so you don't have to do all the hard work. The prompt is totally customizable, so you just need to replace the words in the brackets with your own style and your main animal. And tada, a list of different scenarios will be right in front of you. Now you just need to read out all of these ideas and put your brain to the test for a few seconds to pick a good video idea, because your video idea is what sets you apart from the competition. After you have an idea, we will take help from GPT once again to write a powerful script for us, and our script will be mostly focused on actions and shots instead of a simple generic story, because we won't be using voiceover, so we don't need to go through this step as well. And this takes us to our third step, which is generating our images today. The method I will teach you for getting images is by far the best and most professional method out there, something you won't see any other guru telling you. But before revealing the process, let me tell you about some of the best free text-to-image tools that we'll be using today. Since our full focus is on creating something truly mind-blowing, we won't be using just one text-to-image tool. That's why I will tell you about 3 of the best text-to-image tools. The first one is, of course, Leonardo AI. Our second text-to-image tool is Ideogram AI, and one of the most high-quality text-to-image tools these days is P-lumen. It's totally free, but still, its quality is impressive. So heading back to GPT for our image prompts, but we won't be using the same old method. I have something new for you. First, just copy the first scene or sentence of the script, paste it again in the message box, and ask GPT to write you the perfect and fully accurate prompt visualizing this particular scene. This way, you won't face the issue of lacking a clip for a particular scene. Now we'll just copy our image prompt, and we'll test out P-lumen. So simply head to the Create section, paste your prompt here, and for model selection, I suggest you go with P-lumen Art V1, but you can test out other models as well. The best thing about P-lumen is that you can create unlimited images for free for the aspect ratio. Since we are making shorts, we will go with 9:16. Lastly, you can select the number of images up to 2 at a time on the free plan. Finally, we'll generate our image, and in the meantime, you need to paste the same prompt in other text to image tools as well, and just download the image that is the best among all. Just like this, you need to generate images for the whole script. After generating images, we will redirect our focus to the fourth step, which is animating our images after spending countless hours testing different free image video tools. I found 3 tools to be the best, and the last tool is my personal favorite. It's a game changer. So the first tool is definitely Lumalabs. This platform has gained a lot of fame because of its high quality generations and its free use. Our second AI tool will be Helio AI, also known as Minimat. This one is literally the best among all, but still it's no match for our third free AI tool, which is Vidu. The reason Vidu is the best is because it has a free plan that gives you 80 credits every month, costing you 4 credits per generation. Unlike other free tools, Vidu doesn't put you in a queue for hours, despite being free. And no, this is not a paid promotion. I'm just telling you guys the best options to go with based on my experience. So just head over to image to video, simply upload your image from here, and after that head back to GPT and simply copy up the prompt of the image once again, and now you need to paste the same prompt here in View as well. This prompt basically involves the action that our animal is performing, so we don't need to write it again separately. And after that, you don't need to do much. Just keep the value of movement amplitude to medium, and that's it. Generate your video for basic to medium animations. Video is just perfect. It will create videos without any glitches. But if there are some advanced scenes, then I suggest you use the other 2 tools, Hilo and Lumalabs. And that's why I told you about 3, not just one image to video AI tool. You can see the animation quality of the video. It's just perfect. Look, you don't need to create 1 short every day. You can stick with 2 shorts a week, but don't compromise even a little bit on quality if you really want good results. Just, we don't have a voice over the quality of each clip matters a lot. And in the same way, you need to animate all of your images and use a combination of all 3 AI tools so you don't run out of credits. So finally, our last step, which is editing. There are lots of complex editing software out there, but trust me, you don't need to do complex editing to succeed. Just good creative thinking and fast-paced editing that has all the essential retention. Grabbing material is enough to set you apart from the competition. Since we are doing everything for free, we will be using CapCut, a free editing software. Now we will simply import all of our materials into our editing software and place all the clips on the timeline, since we renamed our clips. Before, we don't need to waste time thinking about which is the first clip and which one is the next sequel. After placing all the clips on the timeline, we will add transitions between our clips to make them more engaging and cinematic, but you don't need to give complex and shaky animations because they will just ruin things. I would suggest you go with this black fade transition, but here's a magic trick. You see this apply to all once you click on it. Your transition will be automatically applied to all the clips. See how we literally saved ourselves plenty of time. Now there's one thing that I see many channels ignoring, and that's quality correction. It can literally have a huge impact on a video's performance. So simply head to adjustments, then drag and drop a layer of custom adjustments onto the timeline and simply increase the value of saturation to anywhere between 10 and 15. Contrast between 10 to 15 as well. Sharpness between 15 to 20 and clarity between 30 and 40. You will literally see a massive difference in the quality of your video. Trust me, viewers focus on every little thing. Now heading to the most important and golden step, sound designing, which includes sound effects and good music. We will first talk about sound effects. Watching a video is one thing, but feeling it, that's where sound effects come in. They add depth and make every moment more immersive. Again, for sound effects, I will provide you with 3 different resources. One most easy to access. Source is CapCut's inbuilt sound effects. Feature, there are plenty of sound effects available, pretty much every sound effect, but in case you don't find a particular sound effect, you can use either Pixabay, large collection of copyright, free sound effects, or if still you can't find the perfect sound effect, you can definitely get it from YouTube, but getting sound effects is one thing, and matching them with the scene is the main step, which will be different for each of you. So there isn't much I can tell, but if I'd give you advice, I'd say carefully analyze the scene, and in case you don't know which sound effect to use for that scene, you can explain that particular scene to ChatGPT and take GPO, advice for a sound effect for that scene. In this way, it will be much easier for you to get a matching sound effect. Now finally coming to background music, we want something that can truly blend in with our video and make it feel like the music was specially designed for our video. To do this, we will use ChatGPT. We will provide GPT with your script and ask for my script. Can you tell me what type of background music will best suit my video? GPT will give a complete detail about the genre and mood of the music. Once you have the details, you can search for that particular music on YouTube, but make sure that the channel you get music from is officially dedicated to providing copyright-free music. Or you can also use Pixabay. They have a huge library of copyright-free music. Or if you just take my advice, I'd say pick a background music from YouTube while uploading your video. And here we go. Our video is ready. Let's watch it. This was our video for today. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to the Digital Buddy channel, like the video, and share it. Thanks. See you soon in the next video.